How to make a solid shampoo bar with nettle tea. Ingredients: 100 g of lard, rendered pork fat, 100 grams of coconut oil, 100 g of shea butter, 125 milliliters of strong nettle tea instead of water, 45 g of sodium hydroxide, lye, essential oils: orange, rosemary, mint, 5 drops of each. Tools: heat-proof containers, stainless steel or silicone mixing tools, digital scale, safety gloves and goggles, immersion blender, soap mold, thermometer. Safety note: always handle lye with extreme caution. Work in a well-ventilated area, wear protective gloves and goggles, and avoid skin or eye contact. Instructions: prepare the nettle tea. Brew a strong cup of nettle tea by steeping dry or fresh nettle leaves in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea and allow it to cool completely before using. Measure the ingredients. Weigh the lard, coconut oil, and shea butter. Accurately measure 45 grams of sodium hydroxide and 125 milliliters of cooled nettle tea. Mix the lye solution. Slowly and carefully add the lye to the cooled nettle tea, stirring gently but continuously. Never pour liquid into lye, as this can cause a dangerous reaction. The mixture will heat up significantly, so let it cool to around 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, 104 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. In a double boiler or heat-proof container, gently melt the lard, coconut oil, and shea butter together until fully liquid. Allow the mixture to cool to the same temperature range as the lye solution. Combine lye and oils. Once the lye solution and oils are at a similar temperature, slowly pour the lye solution into the oils. Use an immersion blender to mix thoroughly until the mixture reaches trace, a pudding-like consistency where trails form on the surface. Add essential oils. Add 15 drops of essential oils at this stage. Stir gently to incorporate. Pour into the mold. Pour the soap batter into your prepared mold, tapping it gently to remove air bubbles. Smooth the top with a spatula if needed. Insulate and set. Cover the mold with plastic wrap or a lid and insulate with a towel to retain heat. Let the soap sit undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours until firm. Unmold and cure. Carefully remove the soap from the mold. If needed, cut it into bars. Place the bars in a well-ventilated area to cure for 4 to 6 weeks, allowing them to harden and fully neutralize. Your shampoo bars are ready after curing. These bars are natural, eco-friendly, and enriched with nettle tea's nourishing properties for healthy scalp and hair. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe.